Hey, how are you? Just a casual little live to showcase some brilliant linen fabrics for you. Yes, the Georgette event is going on and it's amazing and the fabulous colors. And yesterday's look is a new one, is already on the page and उसको हम छेड़ नहीं रहे वो live एकदम perfect है to find out your fabrics. The look is there, everything. Okay, so the event is of the Georgette being on a special price is valid till Sunday, and you can just go and check out the live. सब कुछ है उसमें. We have pinned it down. It's an ivory kind of an outfit. Today's idea is just to be casual and amazing, and just to be chatting with you guys. And बहुत सारा question आता है on neon colors, and I think sometimes we really are a little scared to wear neons. नंबर 1 क्वेश्चन ये और नंबर 2 क्वेश्चन ये है कि नीव के फैब्रिक्स आप हर दिन में कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं. तो आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट बोथ दोस थिंग्स. मैंने नियॉन पे एक वीडियो भी लगाया. दिस इज अ ब्यूटीफुल नियॉन एंड प्लेन जॉर्जेट. ये है 2800 पे स्पेशल प्राइस. इसका प्राइस इंक्रीज होने वाला है मंडे से 23450. सो इट्स क्वाइट अ सेविंग. यू शुड चेक इट आउट. नियॉन भी है, पेस्टल्स भी हैं, डार्क कलर्स भी हैं, सब कुछ है इस पार्टी सीजन के लिए. नाउ दूसरा क्वेश्चन आता है अबाउट वेयरिंग नीव के फैब्रिक्स हर दिन. हम यू नो दे आर सो ब्यूटिफुल. इट्स योर पर्सनल स्टेटमेंट दैट यू मेक वेयरिंग आवर ब्यूटिफुल फैब्रिक्स दैट वी मेक फॉर यू. सो क्वेश्चन आता है कि आप उनको हर दिन कैसे पहन सकें. नाउ अगर आप देखोगे आई एम वेयरिंग अ प्लेन व्हाइट कतान. कतान ही ऐसा फैब्रिक है जो व्हाइट होता है एक्चुअली बेस में. चिनिया जो होता है वो आइवरी होता है. So it's a plain thing. Now you don't like neon, leave it aside. Do a white bottom with it. You have such a smart look. Easy dry clean. Every day you wear. Build it up. Wear your favorite accessories. मैंने तो बहुत छोटा छोटा कुछ पहना है, but you can wear whatever you like, and you can wear it to work, to meeting, to whenever. Yeah. Sorry guys, I think the live got stuck, but we are back. And now what I'm going to be showing you is that Katan silk. 4,800 per meter in any color. We have done a brilliant different color also recently, which is the midnight blue, which you can wear just about every day. So that's on Katan. But coming to today's beautiful fabric, it's linen and it's printed and it's amazing, and it's going to be 13,000 what? 13,250 for a full set. And I'm going to show you the most beautiful dupattas along with it. Look at that. Here it is. This one is a really lightweight, lovely dupatta. This dupatta 4,800. This fabric 2,400 per meter, and you have with a plain bottom in chanderi, you have a set which is 13,250. अब अगर आप चाहें, you want to wear it like cord, then you can do it. You can do a cord also. 2,400 है तो 6,000 12,000 का वो हो गया 4,800 का. You have a beautiful, and look at the dupatta detailing. It's really pretty. Floral prints, what is not to like? Ultra lightweight fabric. Acha, lining, you want to skip it, skip it. It's not necessary. It's not that transparent. You can just wear it, you know, like a slip on it, and you can. But मेरा हमेशा कहना है lining लगाने से थोड़ी सी grace आती है in the look in itself. Now look at this one. It's such a pretty shade of pink. Again, 2,400 रुपए per meter. और मैं इसके आपको colors दिखाती हूँ. And look at the perfect dupatta. Okay, with it. It is so pretty. Here it is. You can see it. I think it's amazing how you know light the look is, how pretty it is. So when you want to wear these kind of looks every other day, then yes, you can be like just wearing Neev ke beautiful fabrics and not worry about it. Now look at that. These dupattas really easy. Some detailing, premium chanderi mein hai, and you know enjoy it, style it. And with this range of fabrics, एक ये भी मजा है कि आप अलग अलग प्राइस में इसको you know प्राइस मतलब प्राइस पॉइंट ऐसा है कि अलग अलग स्टाइल में आप इसको कर सकते हैं. Now look at that. Here it is. Now you can see that it's a nice mango color. So it's a very mango color look. Because you know every day when we need to step out, हम हर दिन सोचते हैं हम क्या पहने, कैसे पहने. So you know these fabrics, linen हो, katan हो, and katan is a dressy fabric. But it can be so fabulous for you to be wearing every day without any effort. Now, one, this is a wonderful color. Okay, now the next one that I'm going to go and बहुत छोटा सा limited सा collection है ये वाला. So I'm going to be showing it to you. Now, this is the next one that we have. Now these dupattas we've done full width, so it's like, you know, a lot of you said I like a full width dupatta. Now look at that. If you're wearing even a pura premium chanderi dupatta, and this dupatta, in fact, you know, you can go for a full suit set also. Suit set अगर आप लेते हैं तो plain fabric 1280 per meter है, premium chanderi पूरा look हो जाता है. But of course this very special, again linen fabric. Now what you'll see here is that this has a border. Okay, now this border you must use in your kurta and this dupatta, and ye dekhiye, you know, like a full complete look. You have linen, you have a dupatta, it looks fabulous. 13250 for your full 2.5 meter plain bottom plus this, so really nice. And this is the very last one that we have, and I mean, I love these, how casual but how beautiful they can be. Okay, the fabric is linen cotton. We do a lot of different types of linens. This one is linen cotton, and now you see this is the pink dupatta with it. Oh yes, and some ready to ship out. So you know, this is like the first sets are all ready to be going out. Whether you go for a 5 meter for a cord plus dupatta, or you go for you know, a plain bottom. Now, oh, I like that. I like that. It's really easy. Okay, and wear the dupatta, skip the dupatta, but I do think that it gives you a kind of a complete look. Okay, from there we're gonna move on to a fabulous Georgette fabric. Okay, this is most amazing. The last time we did it, everyone wanted the black, and then of course it got over. This is 8,800 per meter. Look at that, the Meena, the, you know, the color, everything is there in it. And what is more is that we have the perfect matching dupatta with it. So you can see that it's an amazing Georgette dupatta in black. Okay, it looks really good on its own, but agar aap isko saath mein bhi pehenenge, so that's the kind of look that you're gonna go for. I do think it looks amazing as a set. Okay, now एक example है जो हमारा Georgette का event चल रहा है, उसके लिए मुझे एक बस, oh this is so good. I mean, look at that color, it is so amazing. Now this dupatta in pure Georgette, there is a scallop too, and it is ultra light, ultra beautiful, but the look, that is what is so important, and I'm going to show it to you. Look at that, it is like the perfect look right now. And the dupatta price, you can see this. So it's gorgeous, it's got some detailing, the most amazing flow to it. Accessorize it, wear it as an evening look. It will be, it's like a proper wine color, and it's going to be amazing. Okay, so 2,800 per meter ka ye fabric hai in offer, which is there till Sunday, so you should go for it. Or Monday, say of course these fabrics. Now look at that, here it is. This is a wonderful orange, and I'm just going to show you the shade and the look. That's again the name Bhuta, 24,800, 2,800 per meter of fabric, 38,800 for 5 meters plus dupatta. It's amazing. अच्छा, एक अलग जो बात है वो है ये that जो हमारे पास एक wonderful range है 12,800 के दुपट्टों की, उस पे चल रहा है एक स्पेशल प्राइस. सो इट इज फॉर 11,100 rupees less till the weekend, and that is like more of a reason for you to go for it. So when you do 5 meter of this and then you do this, it becomes 25,000. You have one perfect set. You are like ready, kuch reh nahi jata hai. And what a wonderful powder blue color. It's very pretty. Okay, so but now I'm done with the plains because I have something extremely amazing for you. And oh, this color, I tell you, is to die for. It's like the perfect, you know, pink shade, a very light soft pink that we are always looking for. It's not easy, you know, as easy to make this shade so perfect, but here it is. Now look at that, this Georgette, this. अच्छा, ये तो एक बूटा है, अगर आप इसके कोई चेंज करना चाहें बूटा, we can do it for you. And then you have the most wonderful pinks and this. Now, you know, when you're thinking इस season में हमें pastels पहनना है, you know, we've already done an ivory का look, which is the perfect wedding look. and you must check it out. It's all on the page itself. You've pinned it down. अगर नहीं मिले तो हमें बताएं. अच्छा, Neve.store is now live. और हमारा जो वेबसाइट है, it's as unique as our brand because you can see the video on top and नीचे ही उसके सारे प्रोडक्ट लिस्टेड है. So इससे आसान तरीका हो नहीं सकता खरीदने का. Now that's the plain chiniya model. Many of you wondering कि जॉर्जेट के साथ हम क्या लगाएं, तो आप इसको लगा सकते हैं. एंड देन यू से यार मुझे सिर्फ कुर्ता बॉटम चाहिए, दिस इज ऑल्सो ग्रेट वन टू बी गोइंग. टिश्यू दुपट्टा ले लिया हमारा 8800 का एंड यू आर सेट. ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डू अ बिट मोर. Today we thought that थोड़ी सी we can just chat with you, be here with you and just reinforce the fact that Georgette is an event that you cannot miss. And now this is a super pretty danedar handwork, beautiful Georgette dupatta. Now this one is at a 14,125. ये इसका price. It is the dark mehndi color that we all so love. You can also call it a very dark olive green. That's also a color. It is amazing, like the flow of it. I'm wearing a white katan. For my bottom, it's a Georgette pants. You can get the same colors. This one is not from my brand, but I love, it's a brand I love. And I just thought that this is such a wonderful color to add for some spice to your wardrobe, to some fun element more than spicing it up. For spicing it up, you should go for the wine color. It is gorgeous. शाम को आप पहने sundowner में क्या लगेगा वो color. So you should go for that. Okay, now look at that. Here it is. Now इसके साथ of course we can do a plain Georgette suit, and the price comes out to be really nice. But it comes out to be 28,000. Like this dupatta plus 5 meters. But I also have one more suggestion, which is this brocade. Like, look at that. It is the darkest, most beautiful brocade, and this is 14,800 per meter. Oh, अच्छा, एक स्पेशल बात भी है. एक कट ब्लैक में आया है इस फैब्रिक में, and it's ready to go out today. It's a 2.5 मीटर का कट. We just got it and it's there. If you don't remember the black in it, ask us, we'll send you a picture. But इसका black आया है आज, and ये कलर, guys, I know, see क्या होता है visually आप जब देखते हैं black, आपने देखा, आप उसको imagine कर पाते हैं. But I am strong and I have black today, okay? So you can even buy that. I'm not saying it because of that, but I'm saying it because it is the most beautiful shade of green that you cannot miss. Like, look at the colors coming out, okay? Look at how rich it is. And black अगर चाहिए तो of course है, but my thing is try this color. It is fabulous to say the least, okay? And अच्छा, हाँ, एक और दुपट्टा मैं जो दिखाना चाहूँगी. अगर you don't want that light दुपट्टा, then do this dressy dupatta. Look at that. It is so amazing with it because the dark colors and these two very earthy colors going very well together. This dupatta is the 28,800 dupatta. Okay, now that you have turned up here, मुझे कुछ तो special भी करना चाहिए. And we have a brand new, the entire palette collection of a patola cotton, a premium cotton suit. It is a surface weaving. That's the weaving that's been done on it. It's the surface weaving, and it is striking because it is patola. It's got all of that meena. I mean, look at how ravishing it is. All resham. अच्छा, सबसे बड़ी बात है all resham. Now that's your suit set, and what is to be said? It's amazing. Now look at that. Here it is. The powder blue, the brown shades, 2 shades, the black. It is stunning. Okay, what is the price point of this piece? This is 44,800. One premium look, जिसमें bottom भी बना है on the loom. It is a perfect matching. And for today, I have the entire palette that's ready, and these are ready to be shipped out. So when you think you want something really formal, that's a wonderful black. Now you say, yeah, I want to wear, I have a day event, I want to wear something amazing. Okay, what is it that I'm going to do? Then you're going to be going for this pink shade, and it is very, very pretty. Okay, now I'm going to open the fabric because अगर आपने नहीं देखा ये कैसे feel होता है, then you wouldn't know. This is our premium cotton fabric. This is how soft it is. It's extremely beautiful. ये जो border दी गई है, ये आप use करें, don't miss out on it. You know, it is to be used. That's the whole point of it. Okay, now look at that. It's amazing. It's amazing. This, and again, the bottom has been made on the loom, and you have the perfect one. And the final color that I'm going to be doing on this is this. Okay, let's show you this. It's the ultra pretty white. Okay, here, oh, now you saw pink, day color, you saw black, an evening color, also a day color. Actually, black you can wear anytime, and again white, a color which you can wear anytime as well. Okay, easy wear, super stylish, super pretty. Look at the Meena colors, they are fabulous. The bottom's been made, now it's a milky white color, and it's amazing. Okay, you can see the wonderful resham. Okay, it's all resham work, which is why it is so good. Okay, so एक छोटा सा live था where we wanted to really come and just, you know, put all of this together for you. Fabulous to have you. Thank you so much. Make sure that आज के नए pieces आपने देखे हैं. Plus the black brocade is back in stock. Plus the Georgette event is on. Plus there is a new launch of linen fabrics, which is 13250 entire set. And then there is also the Patola cotton suit sets in Resham surface weave. All superb. I'll see you, and make sure that you've seen it on the web and you have come on WhatsApp to place your order. See you guys.